All a song, you see, more said, we can some praise one more time to Father God. To Leah tonight, promote and big up yourself and each and every individual who is here. Let me get it from Chuck One, brother. Because I someone starting tonight.
Why not be Jacob? Come from. This when you see me and my friend them. DJ when I can't turn you up in the ears. You can't turn you up in the ears. Hey, never remember tell you. Man, reach a card and let me tell. Who don't know me, I'm more run me in the world. Stop. Level. Watch out there. Tell the real people in my life we are needing right now. Audience boy shot gun out. School as Johnny Cake and come out as dumpling. Yeah. You come and tell man no strap that. I know in your blood class tell you no strap that. No now me gun them no lock that. 4-4 pack numbers and my team like hot that drop that. When you think you're shot that, then find in my house before like a set that. And then yeah we end that. You don't know when you say that should they try that. Me kill people we really don't can ask anybody. I mean no fear we must be gun for anybody. Not telling that I mean no fear squad. Regularly make them find endless. I mean no fear. Find something else give me you. Find something. And some boy for left road. When me say some boy give me space, me need some boy move. I want to do some blood clot boy. We think loud and road in a real life. College me general big up on themselves. Matic. Marco when me say damn road in Glock road. And some boy for know we out. How them in a real life. We think come up in our place. How some pussy. IG man. IG city not pretty. Me tell some fool. What them tempt me for? People want them shit and rise. So me temperature. You know me see a church boy can't box me so. Me shall let her go in a big empire. Lord. What them tell me for? People want them shit and rise. So me temperature. See way. It good. When I say temperature. And it in Lord. Some boy feel know. People, you don't know. Look out for the Justin Blake Top 10 chart. Now know all of my subscribers, followers and passerbys. Definitely comment down in the comment section because your input is very important towards selecting the #1 songs from any one of the Montego Bay selected recording artists. You don't know the song will get the most vote, the most popular song, it will be the #1 song selected by Justin Blake Top 10 charts. Yo people, look out for the new one from Sheenie. It name Working Hard.
I have a dream like Martin Luther King.
So even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream.
I have a dream like Martin Luther King.
One day, this nation will rise up.
You don't know Chilando recently released a song titled You Better Can Joke. I mean I tell you, the girl them love a song.
Dance mash up now, easily. Yo, selector. All them girls are now dancing at the party. All I want to do is say she want me. Chilando for the girl them. My girl, you hear me now?
Girl, you better can joke. Think me love you for your pretty look. When you step in at the dance, if you work your damn foot. Joke, joke, girl a bubble me a look. Happy take out me phone, put it on me Facebook. Joke, think me love you for your pretty look. Remember you know, subscribe and stay tuned. Justin Blake YouTube channel. The Top 10 chart come very soon. Remember if you go up on Facebook, go like the page one name Awasa. You can find the Facebook link for the page one name Awasa down in the description section. Remember you know, like.